Hi, this is Arun Gupta. I am here in Dakar, Senegal for the Java E7 Global Celebration launch. And I'm here with two passionate developers of Java EE who have been using GlassFish. I will let them introduce.
Okay, my name is Suleiman Diallo. I am Iron and Vast Manager in a Telecom company here in Senegal called Tigo.
My name is Papa Moussagna. I'm a software architect in the same telecom company.
Okay, excellent. So we were having our discussion earlier and you were saying that you are using Java EE, GlassFish, NetBeans. So this interview, I will kind of ask you some basic questions around that. So tell me about your application.
Okay, so previously we were invoking one application that we are using and that will help the regulatory authority to, let's say, validate subscribers when they will provide their ID, and there is going to be a validation against a database of the ID for the whole country. This application, actually, our team, which is composed by Pap Musa, myself, and another guys who are supposed to be there. So actually, yes, we are using Java EE technology. We're using here Java 7.
So you're using Java EE 6?
6 instead of 7, yeah.
Okay.
GlassFish.
So tell me more about Java EE 6. What technologies do you use in Java EE 6?
Okay, he was telling about the multi-caching.
Okay. No. So about Java EE 6.
Yeah, okay.
What do you use in Java EE 6?
Okay, for example, for the persistent layer, we use GPA 2.0 and Eclipse links as its implementation. For example, the web service, we use SOAP, JXWS. JXWS, we use it for the implementation of the web service. We focus to use all the Java standards in the G2EE6.
You mean Java EE 6?
Yeah, Java EE 6.
Okay. And so you're using JPA, JaxWS, and where is the application deployed? What application server?
We deploy it in GlassFish.
GlassFish version, what version?
Version 3.0, yeah.
3.0, okay, very good. Now earlier when we were talking about the application, you were talking about millions of records that are being deployed and being used. So can you give us some data on that numbers?
Okay, actually the challenge was to give operator possibility to validate an ID in the lower time possible. So there, what we're doing globally, we're loading all data in the memory in a single GlassFish instance, and with the benchmark that we did, we were able to do one query in less than a millisecond, and we had some also thread or concurrency test that we did. 100 query 100 times, so in total 10,000 queries, and all this run and finish within less than 2 minutes. I think exactly something like 140 seconds, something like that.
And so that met your needs and demands?
Yeah.
And you were also talking about some 7 million records that were being loaded in the memory?
That's it. It's about the same application. We are loading this one in, I don't know, something like 20 minutes maximum. Loading all this in an hash map, something like this.
So these 7 million records are loaded in the memory and that application stays in GlassFish?
Yeah.
Okay, that's pretty impressive. And how about some of the scalability tests that you have done? How much you have stretched the system?
Actually, we went up to 15 million.
15 million?
Yeah.
And that single GlassFish instance stayed very well with that?
Actually, the only thing that was varying is the memory of the server. And by the way, we were doing all this in a virtual server, Ubuntu virtual server, Ubuntu server 6 to 4 bits.
So
version.
Scaled very well vertically up, not just horizontally, but vertically scales very well.
Yeah, definitely.
Excellent. What JDK version are you using?
What?
What JDK version?
JDK 7, yeah.
happy with the performance for JDK7?
Yeah, of course.
Definitely, yes. There are some features that we did not explore that you talked about here, and definitely you giving us the, the aim to go through them and definitely enjoy the benefit.
Very nice. What development tools do you use? What IDE?
NetBeans.
NetBeans. Why do you use NetBeans?
What?
Why do you use NetBeans?
Because I think we gain more productivity as a developer. We gain more productivity. You have all the plugins. Inside, and we can.
It's more straightforward. Actually, I have experienced somehow Eclipse also. Most of the time, before being productive, you have to download a lot of things and so on. And here, it's very straightforward, very clear tutorials and things like that. It's definitely very impressive, like a tool.
So this is a simpler, out-of-the-box experience.
Yeah. As for now, definitely for Java development, I'm the one. I do prefer NetBeans rather than Eclipse, and I'm pushing everybody in my team. He used to use Eclipse sometimes, but there is another guy who's still trying to stick to Eclipse. But anyway, I think one day we'll just convince him definitely to use NetBeans instead of Eclipse.
Okay, I think we're going to conquer the world one developer at a time.
Yeah. Sure.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your help and your beautiful interview, and wish you good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Too.